Hello everyone, my name is Faizan Khan and in this video I'm going to show you the demo of my new project which is blood donation management system. So this is the admin login page, and if you are new you can click on this new user register. So from here you can register a new user. Okay, I already have created an account, so I'll just log in simply. So I'll enter the username and the password. If you are entering wrong username or wrong password, you will not be able to log in. So once I enter correct username and password, so this is the dashboard. Here you will be able to see total donors. Here you will see total recipients, total donations so far, and if there are any pending requests. Okay, and then you can see blood stock overview here. So blood group A positive has 9 units left, A negative has 0 units, and accordingly you can see the color change. So if it's critical, then the color will be red. If it's partially critical, then the color will be yellow, and if you have the quantity, then the color will be green. So here you have 1800 units, 1800 ml of blood B positive, right? Then you can see alerts and notifications here. So low stock alert, 5 blood groups running low, right? So you can see 5 blood groups are running low here. Then after that you can see eligible donors. So the donors who have not donated in 3 months, so you will see the count of those donors here. Okay, so there are 3 donors who haven't donated in the last 3 months. This button will work same as this donors tab. So once I'll click on it, you can fill up donor information here. So full name, age, gender, blood group, right? Then contact number, email, address, and last donation date, if any. Okay, and then you can add donor from here. So see, I have added all these donors here. So we have ID, name, age, gender, blood group, contact, email, and last donation date. So never when you don't have any last donation date. Okay, you have never donated. All right, and from here search donors, you will be able to search the donor by either name, contact, or blood group. Let's search by name. So if I'll search this Ayaz, so I'll just type Ayaz and we'll click on the search, so I can see the result here. Show all will show all the result. Okay, similarly I can search based on the blood group, so I'll just mention B positive. So if any blood group will have B positive, then that will show in the result. Okay, then you can also edit any selected. So just select and click on edit selected, so all the details will fill up here. From here you can simply uh, edit any information and then update donor. So donor information will be updated here. Okay, and you can also delete any record. So if you wish to delete any record, select it and just click on this delete selected. Are you sure you want to delete donor Emily Davis? This will also delete all associated donations records. Yes, so this is now deleted from there. Okay, after that, this is the recipients section. Here you can fill up recipients information, the person who requires the blood. So you can just fill up the information, full name, age, gender, blood group. Okay, then contact number, email, address, and the required date when they want the blood. Okay, so once you fill up these details, you'll see the details here. Okay, you can also edit the selected details. You can also delete the selected record. Okay, and then you can create requests from here. Okay, so if you want the blood for this recipient Farah Khan, so you can just click on this create request and select recipient is already selected, blood group is already selected, request date you can mention here, when do you want the quantity you can mention here. So the quantity has to be between 0 and 50 ml. Okay, and then you can mention remarks if any, and then click on create request. So you can see this one. So the status is pending, right? then the admin can approve it, reject it, or reset to pending. Okay, these three options admin can perform. And also you can filter it based on pending, approved, and rejected. So if you want to see the rejected ones, so just select rejected and click on apply. So these two are the rejected ones. Okay, and similarly if you want to see the pending ones only, so this is the one which is pending. Similarly approved ones, so these are the approved ones. Okay, and as soon as any request is approved, accordingly the blood unit will decrease from here. Okay, suppose here you see 1800 units, right? So what I'll do, I'll go to request, and I'll just request a blood for this Farah Khan. I'll just request B positive. Okay, and request date can be anything, and I'll just request 450 ml. I'll create request. So the request is created. Okay, so B positive blood request is created. Now I can approve it. So once I approve it, so once this is approved, you will see the deduction here, as you can see here, right? Now 1350 units are left only. I hope this is clear. So you saw how you can fill up the recipient's information and how you can create requests from there. Then donations, if you want to donate the blood, you can select the donors. So these are all the donors, okay, that we have added here, right? These are all the donors. You can select any donor, then donation date, quantity, and remark if any, and just click on this record donation. So donation recorded successfully. So once you have donated 450 ml, this will be added to B negative blood group. You can check on the dashboard. So B negative now has 450 units. I hope this is clear. Then request, you already saw that from here you can select the recipient and select the blood group that they need and select the quantity, and accordingly you can create request. So as you can see here, this recipient has asked for 490 quantity, right? But B negative currently has 450 units only. So if I try to approve it, so it says not enough B blood in stock, available 450 ml, required 490 ml, right? So this can be rejected, and you can just mention the reason that blood is not available. So this is rejected. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Then we can move to stocks, and here you can see current stock levels. Okay, all these values, you can also refresh it. Then you can see this stock statistics here. So here you can see the blood group, uh, total stock 9 units, total donors of A positive blood group, then total donations, okay, total collected in ml. Okay, similarly for others, so B positive has 1800 stock, so one donor is there, and total 4 donations happened so far, and total collected is 1800. Okay, so similarly you can check for others. Then if you go to reports, so from here you can download the Excel files. So this will generate complete list of all donors. Okay, from here you will get all recipients report, donation history report, blood request summary, current stock levels report, and then comprehensive summary report, right? I have already downloaded these, so you can see here. So I'll just quickly show you this donors list. So this is the donors list, right? Similarly, blood donation summary. So in the summary, you can check everything at one place. So donors, this, then if you move to recipients, you will see recipients. If you will move to donations, you will see all the donations so far. Then requests, so these are the requests, and then blood stock. So you can see the blood stock so far. Okay, and then stock levels, you can check here, request summary, you can check here, donation history, recipient list. So all these things you can check here. Okay, and then we have this logout, so we can easily log out from the app. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this project. I hope you liked it. If you have any suggestions, let me know in the comment section. The source code of this project is in the description. If you need any help, you can contact me. The contact details are given in the description. Thank you for watching.